Hello and welcome to my first video of 2019. Happy New Year to you all. Let's hope that the crypto winter is finally over and the sun comes out, and 2019 is a fantastic year for crypto and all of us. I am Owen Lee, and in this video we're going to have a quick look at Ethereum. It's been making some very interesting moves over the last few days, and I just want to share with you my thoughts on that, so stay tuned. Ethereum, it's been knocked off, it's knocked XRP off of the second spot to take that crown for the king of the altcoins again. So Ethereum has climbed back up, and there's about $500 million market cap between the two now, as we can see here. Ignore the price, this is slightly off. I think we're a little bit over this now. Anyway, so yeah, been keeping a real close eye on this, and what I found really interesting is there's not been a massive amount of volume. I was actually a little bit worried, but we'll look at the charts in a moment. But what I have noticed is if we look at Bitcoin, as we can see, Bitcoin has had a bit of a trail off. Ethereum hasn't. It's actually increased a bit more than Bitcoin, as you can see here, the descend on the 7-day graph, whereas Ethereum has had some good sideways movements. Look at all the others, and you can see EOS very similar, but not quite, still a descend on that, but the rest of them are quite descending. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's have a look at the actual charts. So this is my Ethereum chart, and having a good look back across time, because as they say, if in doubt, zoom out. As we can see here, we are in this massive descending wedge. This goes all the way down to what's that, like $40 odd down the peak here. We're not that far off of it, but excuse me, from its all-time highs up here of what, 1,000, just under 1,500. Anyway, as we can see, everyone thought here, big V recovery. No, we go even further down. V recovery. No, we get smashed again. V, no, smashed. So it's been a very difficult time. Anyway, let's have a little bit of a zoom in now on the 4-hour chart. So we can see here we had this massive sell-off across here. And then we started to form this inverse head and shoulders here, which everyone's been talking about. These patterns are very hard. Any patterns are very hard to predict, because you're looking at what happened in the past and what the trend is. So it's always a bit of a difficult play because you're just really making an educated guess. So don't shoot me if it doesn't play out what I think. And also, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, all right? So don't go selling your kids and your wife to invest in the markets. Not just yet, anyway. Anyway, so just we are looking very good on this head and shoulders, though, because over the last few hours we have had a big old push here. And if you've noticed on this descending wedge, yes, we've actually broken out. Could be a very good thing here. Could be a very good thing. We've broken out. We've taken the second spot. We've got some volume coming back in. We had a bit of a drop off. This was yesterday, which I'm really discounting because it was New Year's Day. Lots of people were just eating mince pies and drinking alcohol or recovering from hangovers. So I'm kind of not really too worried about this drop off here in the volumes. But as I say, we are pushing out here, which means was this the bottom? Was the bottom in just down here where this is 82? Could it be? Could it be, guys? Anyway, we are pushing through. We literally pushed straight through this level here at the 140. As we can see, we had a very small doji there, which I did wonder whether it was going to reverse, but it didn't. We just then pushed straight through. We're now coming up to test or retest, because we've got the top here at the 150 mark. We tested here at the 150 on Christmas Eve. And we just got rejected off. We then dropped out the bottom of this little descending triangle, little wedge here, and then we come straight back up again. We formed this little inverse and then we dropped out and we've come straight back up, but we've come up, you know, with a vengeance here. So we're about to retest again. Be nice to see us push through this, because then we've actually got a nice clear run up. Our next level is up at 175 or 173. You know, so that leaves us all this room for movement, which will be, you know, really good, and that will be a fantastic confirmation of, you know, so much that the markets are turning, the tide is turning on it. You know, our inverse head and shoulders is playing out nicely here at the moment. This is a key level, though. You know, if we push through this, then we're soaring up. I can't see us, you know, dropping back down until we hit this. This is going to be a key resistance level. You know, push through that, we're then back in again, and I mean, look at the, you know, just look at what we've got here. You know, if we push through this next level, we've got a 12, you know, 13% there between those two. 13%. You know, that's great. That is absolutely fantastic. I mean, what have we done so far on this one? So we've got, you know, this channel here, it's played out 6.5%. You know, and that's 6. Yeah, well, it might even be 7. Let's push them up. Yeah, look, 7%, guys. 7%. You know, so that's really good. That is really good. You know, we've got this this channel that's played out nicely here, and we are on the testing right here. Look, we're about to test it. Let's hope we push through. You know, and then we've got this run up to the next level at you know, 170, 175 ish or 173. You know, that's going to be really great to see. We get up here. This is going to be a key area. You know, we smash through that. We have got the possibility of making some huge, you know, huge goals. We go through these two. I mean, look at that. That's 40%, ladies and gentlemen. 40%. You know, over. So this is something that we could be doing over the next couple of days. You know, is seeing a 40% return in the markets for Ethereum. You know, this will be absolutely great. Anyway, just wanted to bring you that news. Remember, like I say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, you know, you do need to do your own research and due diligence, and you know, just enjoy the markets, play the markets, take profit off the table when it's there. You know, if you see this start to turn, start taking some profits off, guys. You know, buy back in later. If it drops down and you take profit here, and then it starts to climb back up and you buy back in, you know, what does it matter? It's a few dollars, you know, it's going to be a few bucks, but it's certainly worth doing, because you take some profit out here. If this comes back down, you know, we've got another critical test level. Are we going to bounce? You know, are we going to drop down and bounce off of this? Hopefully not. Let's hope we're in the right direction and we're moving off, guys. Anyway, once again, guys, have a good day. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and, you know, subscribe to the channel. I will be bringing you, you know, charts, patterns, news, and stuff. So, yeah, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for the notifications. I'll see you on the flip side.